The Bajaj Auto Rickshaw is a trusted and iconic three-wheeler, widely recognized for its reliability, efficiency, and suitability for urban and semi-urban transportation. Here's an overview of its features and specifications. Engine performance. The Bajaj Rickshaw comes with a variety of engine options tailored to meet different requirements. Petrol engine offers a smooth and efficient ride, ideal for short distances. CNG engine, highly fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly, making it a popular choice in urban areas. LPG engine, another eco-friendly option with low running costs. Diesel engine, delivers high torque and is well suited for heavy loads and longer routes. Power output, varies across models but generally ranges between 7 to 10 HP. Fuel efficiency, known for excellent mileage, offering 25-35 km CNG or 30-40 km diesel petrol. Build design compact dimensions, designed to navigate crowded city streets with ease. Seating capacity, typically accommodates 3 passengers in the rear, plus the driver. Chassis, strength, rugged build for durability and heavy-duty usage. Suspension, equipped with hydraulic shock absorbers for a smooth ride even on uneven roads. Features. Comfort. Spacious seating with padded cushions and grab handles for passengers. Dashboard. Simple layout with essential controls for the driver. Weather protection. Fitted with a soft top or hard top roof to shield passengers from rain and sun. Customization. Options for adding luggage racks, music systems, and safety enhancements. Safety. Drum brakes. Reliable stopping power for urban conditions. Handbrake. Ensures secure parking on inclines. Side indicators. Improved visibility and communication with other vehicles. Applications. Passenger transport. Perfect for daily commutes and short-distance travel. Cargo transport. Variants like the Bajaj Maxima are specifically designed for light goods delivery. Conclusion. The Bajaj Auto Rickshaw remains a popular and cost-effective mode of transportation, especially in countries like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and several African nations. Its versatility, affordability, and adaptability to different fuels make it a reliable choice for both personal and commercial use. Stay tuned for more vehicle insights and reviews tailored for your needs.